पिकअप करवाक जाइछन्ति
हाँ जी भाई साहब, प्रेज़ द लॉर्ड, जय मसीह की। और गोपाल भाई क्या बना रहे हैं, क्या क्या अपने आज नए ब्लॉग में क्या सिखाएंगे हमें?
तो सिखा कि आज जो मेट्रो ट्रेन में जाने के लिए तैयारी है।
अच्छा,
संडे सर्विस खत्म हुआ है, तो अभी कैसे जाना है हॉस्टल।
अभी हॉस्टल में मेट्रो से जाएंगे। ये फर्स्ट स्टेशन है यहाँ से हम अपने स्टेशन की तरफ जाएंगे, कॉलेज के पास वाले मेट्रो में। तो आप ये बताएं आज का दिन आपका कैसा रहा?
हाँ, बहुत ही अच्छा है। तो
बहुत अच्छा चला।
आपका दिन कैसे लगा?
मेरा दिन तो बहुत अच्छा था, खुदा की दया से बहुत ब्लेसेड था।
हाय बोल दो, हाय बोल।
Hi bro. You don't know anything. You don't know anything.
Only
He's Pui.
Mental. This for your mental.
See
Camera.
this guy.
Hi.
This guy.
This for mental.
This
They go in Kilpatrick College. Kilpatrick Hospital in today's
Whenever he meet new people, he used to say mental. Tell me, we are mental or he is mental? Really? Tell me, we are mental or he is mental?
or psycho.
Tell me. Mental. That guy is mental, na? See.
Then go out as the master plan. So ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମମାନେ ଯାଉଛୁ ମେଟ୍ରୋ ଟ୍ରେନ୍କୁ, ଯେଉଁଟାକି ମାଟି ଭିତରେ ଯାଏ ସେଇ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ଟା। ତ ଆପଣମାନେ ଜାଣିଥିବେ, ଏଇଟା ଦେଖିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ମେଟ୍ରୋ ଟ୍ରେନ୍। ଏଇଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ, ଏ ସ୍ଥାନରେ ଠିଆ ହେଇଛି ମେଟ୍ରୋ ଟ୍ରେନ୍, ଯେଉଁଟାକୁ ମାଟି ଭିତରେ ଯାଏ। এইটা হচ্ছে আমনকর মাটি ভিতরে ট্রেনটা, এটা মেট্রো ট্রেনটা মাটি ভিতরে যায়। এটা দেখুଛନ୍ତି। এটা হচ্ছে মাটি ভিতরକୁ ଯାଏ। এই ট্রেনটা ଦେଖିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ବହୁତ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ତିଆରି ହେଇଛି। ହଁ, ଇଏ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ଆମର ସାଙ୍ଗଟେ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ, ଯାହାକି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମମାନଙ୍କର ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା ସମାପ୍ତ ପରେ ଆମମାନେ ମେଟ୍ରୋ ଟ୍ରେନ୍ରେ ଯାଉଛୁ, ଯାତ୍ରା କରୁଛୁ ଆମମାନଙ୍କର କଲେଜକୁ। What was the gate? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Today we started a journey towards to Vallur Athurpatti. So this guy told me when someone come to fight, he won't fight, he will pray. But whole day he is fighting with us. See, we are with us, and that guy, one of our brother, Himbaraj, he is fighting with him also from morning in train. You know, in local train, he is fighting like anything. People are looking, they are mentals. See, this biggest guy mental. See, I haven't seen this type of people before in my life. See, this is the first time I look.